What if Gojo played for the LA Lakers? I think they would be probably overpowered. That's my guess. He would just infinite domain him, or no, what's his domain called again? Infinite something. I can't remember. Oh, but he would domain them, and that'd be it. Game over. But let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I like these AI arts. I know they're controversial, but I kind of like them. So let's try this. So we're going to start with, I think, his mask, probably, because it's like sort of hidden, and his head is kind of tilted, so it helps us get it on the right place. So side of his mask, we'll go like a bumpy sort of line here, because the mask is bumpy, right? And then this kind of curves over the top, right? Down. And then it kind of bumps down this way then. So you want it to kind of go over his nose in this area, right? So you want a pointy sort of bit here. And then it comes down under his eye sockets, either side of that. Okay. And then you could have, like, you know, some lines, just like some folding lines and stuff. Like where it comes sort of over his nose and across his eye and things like that. So everything then comes out from there, so we can just see like his nostrils underneath. So head is kind of tilted back, so we're like looking up his nose, sort of. So his mouth, so he's kind of like showing us teeth, kind of. So we're going to go up like that, across, down to there. Kind of these little dimples on the end. And then his bottom lip sort of comes across here. And maybe we could see like a little line for bottom lip just there, but not much. Right, so then his face, chin, real pointy. Down here. I think I'll just shadow up the corners of his mouth a little bit there as well. And his jaw. This way. Change our direction. Then here, go up, curve around the jawbone. Leave a little bit of a gap and add some sideburns just for his hair here. And then his ears come out from there. The ears are so low down because his head is tilted back, right? And then ear lines inside. Like a letter J is always how I like to sort of start them, like that. And you can add a bit more detail if you want, of course. Hair then, so typical sort of Gojo hair spikes. behind there. It's going all the way around. Okay, and then we got some texture lines on the inside. Like so. Right, so neck real long, right? So coming down from his ear even. Kicks out a bit at the end. And then this side. Down like that, right? Real long. Then we got some neck muscles just going down to his collarbones in there. So these neck muscles always meet collarbone, right? So like you can just see like a little bit on that side and maybe there as well. And then we got like two t-shirt sort of shapes. So this one comes around. Then like so. And then so the LA Lakers sort of top, right? It's sleeveless going down there. And then it's got like a V in the middle, I think. Kind of, well, like a square sort of. Okay. And then there's like some fold lines here. And then we have the purple Lakers colors. Stripes. Okay, and then we got like shoulders just coming out from there. And then like some folding lines, like just for the clothes, just hanging down. Because basketball tops tend to be quite loose. And then we're going to put Lakers just coming across here, right? Going to fit like not all of the letters because they're quite big, but I've moved them up probably a bit as well, so just to fit them in. So that's the top of the L, and then we can see the A. And then the K is connected to the E, right? So it goes down that way. And then this one actually like goes real long out to the E. You should really see the bottom of the E there as well, actually. Lakers. How do you spell? I can draw, but I can't spell. S. That way. Okay, not bad. Not bad lettering. And this is like purple with white around it. Well, if you know the Lakers colors, you'll know what I'm talking about anyway. I don't need to explain. Gojo, LA Lakers. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.